My bad. That wasn't supposed to happen. Oh man. Oh man. What happened, guys? Oh my god. Something happened badly. I made new update to the layout. That's not bad, but my train derailed. And yeah. Oh my god, I'm going on the track. Bye. Okay. Let's get this engine. In this third part of my Lionel trains, I am not running the engines because in my second video, the train had a boober and somehow like hang on, I'm gonna go dark for a minute. Oh, okay. I just had to fix me a track where it went like that. So I actually made this my own car. So right there, this is like a truck depot scrap car, and then we carry like scrap trucks and everything like that. But I still don't have another engine for my second loop. But I did upgrade that one. It's like a trapezoid thing. So my engine runs good. I'm just actually gonna show you these kind of like setting it up. Sorry if you can't see it, but life's life. So, lionel lines, that's what it is. It's actually the name of my layout, lionel lines and everything like that. So I just have my tender up and everything. Anyway, bye guys. Subscribe to Tigers26, MCGo99, and Arcade is a Penman. Hooray! I'm actually gonna show you run. No, I'm just joking. Blooper planks the great.